Welcome to today's edition of The Good, the Bad and the Ugly, especially curated from the world of economy and business today. I'll start with the new section that we are introducing today in the history of GBU. For the first time, we are introducing interviews in GBU. This time, we asked the TRAI chairman, why is the quality of network so bad and why our speeds on 4G are so bad and among the worst in the world. Here is what he had to say.
And TRAI looks at the quality of service issue as one of the issues of prime importance. It devised a regulation which basically says that whenever a call drop takes place, there will be 1 rupee credited into customer's account. So customer will get compensated. That we thought was a very good way to ensure that the service providers are forced to improve the quality of service and reduce the call drop. This was challenged in the Honorable High Court of Delhi. They upheld that. They said it's a good thing. Then it was challenged in Honorable Supreme Court, and Supreme Court quashed it. The temporal and geographical part will have to be eliminated. So we will arrange the tower in the ascending order of call drop in some sense, and then we will find out that our niyam is that 97% of the tower must work 97% of the time, and the call drop should be less than 3%. There are parameters. These parameters actually take care of both these temporal and the geographical distribution. And India today is consuming 1.5 exabytes of data. So it's a huge amount. In fact, it is more than the United States of America. The per capita consumption of data in our country is also 4 gigabytes per month, 4.5 gigabytes per month, which is also one of the highest in the whole world. So now we are talking of average speed in a window. This consultation is on, and we are soon going to come up with a regulation which actually says that you have to specify the minimum, the average download speed in a particular time span or whatever. So we are working out on that.
And now to the good. India seems to be in an IPO rush, and that's good for the economy as well as for companies. This fiscal 17-18 is expected to close with IPOs of 82,500 crores. That's almost double the number of IPOs in its previous peak of 2007-8, when the industry did IPOs of around 40,000 crore. Almost 15,000 crore worth of IPOs have been announced in just this month of March. More IPOs is a very good sign for the economy that is on the rebound. It essentially indicates that corporates are building up reserves for investment in the future. This will lead to more greenfield projects hopefully, and also more jobs in the economy. That's what makes this good. Now to the bad. This is going to be a historic battle between free markets and the need for regulatory oversight. The government has started cracking down on Bitcoin platforms even before it has brought out any regulations about their legality or illegality. Banks are taking cues from the finance minister's statement in the budget saying that the bitcoins or cryptocurrencies are not legal tender, and they have started asking Bitcoin platforms to close their current accounts. Also, because of the fear of regulatory and investigative crackdown, the trading on Bitcoin platforms has fallen to almost 50% from its peak of about 200 crores a day. But this is really ugly, because this is certainly not the way to go about it. Investors love Bitcoins and investing in cryptocurrencies. Regulators hate it. The need is for a middle ground for both of them. That, however, is not available right now. But that's certainly not the best way to go about it, because investors love it, millennials love it, but regulators hate it from the bottom of their heart. There is need to find a middle ground that makes trading on Bitcoins and platforms of cryptocurrencies viable as well as reliable. However, the government is taking its own sweet time in coming out with regulations. That's what makes this bad. Now to the ugly. Even as the Fugitive Economic Offenders Bill is awaiting approval, the government has informed the Lok Sabha that 31 economic fugitives have run away from India with nearly 40,000 crore of lenders' money, including public sector banks and private sector banks. These include Nirav Modi and Mehul Choksi, who have run away with an estimated 15,000 crore and Vijay Mallya with over 9,000 crore of bank money. What makes this ugly is the fact that not only could we not prevent them from running away from India, but also they have been living a life outside India for nearly 5 to 7 years, and we have not been able to bring them back to face the law. If you enjoyed watching this content, please like us on our Facebook page. Our Facebook page, www.facebook.com/businesstoday. Follow Business Today on Twitter India at @BT_India and subscribe to our YouTube channel Business Today India.